But yeah, we're going to be highlighting a custom element from Ridge Wallet. So I've pulled up their site and I've scrolled all the way to this amazing slideshow that they have going on here. So this slider element, this is all custom built using the custom element. And the way it's different than a regular slideshow, I mean, check this out. It's really interactive. So we're able to scroll through all these different phases of this slider, and we're able to get a beautiful visual of what the wallet difference is going to be. And, you know, you're gaining an experience in terms of this wallet versus this one. And so this is something that's built using Liquid, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and it goes beyond just a regular slideshow. And it really does go beyond the slider capabilities that come native with Shogun. And so very, very cool here. Also, while I can't go into the code here for the Ridge, what I can do is use my own demo store and kind of show you from the main dashboard area, right? So you open up your Shogun Page Builder app, you're landing in your dashboard. You can go to the advanced tab. Basically, I'm just showing you all over again in live motion here what Jonas showed you on the slides. But you go to your advanced spot, you go to custom elements, and from custom elements, you're able to create a new one. We've already built this very cool rotating cube just to kind of demonstrate a interactive element that can be added to a page. And if you're not a developer, don't be scared about this. You know, this isn't something that you have to know how to code. I just want you to know the kind of possibilities that exist out there. And so here we've got cube image, cube image, cube image. This is basically each face of the cube that we will be showcasing on a demo page in a moment. And for each face of the cube, we're going to our variables on the right-hand side, and we're selecting the kind of input that we want. So like, what do we want to show on this face of the cube? Well, we want our user, in this case, to be our employees or me building the page, not the customer browsing the website, okay? This does not mean user as in customer browsing the website. This means who's using the software, Shogun Page Builder, and adding content on that face. So we're going to make user input. Where are they going to be inputting that content? And it's going to be on the sidebar, the right-hand toolbar when you're in the actual editor. Again, I'll highlight that in a moment. And what kind of input are they adding? And this is what Jonas was talking about. Is it going to be text? Is it going to be rich text, an image, markdown, HTML, all this stuff? The other really cool thing is that when you're specifying your custom element, you can actually include drop zones. So you're able to use in your custom element any of the other native elements that already exist in Shogun. So that way you're not reinventing the wheel. Cool. So we're going to leave it at HTML, image HTML. And that's what all of these are going to be. So we're going to hit save. And now we'll go back to our dashboard and we will go into our custom element test page. And from here, I'm scrolling down on the right-hand toolbar. I'm scrolling down all the way to the very bottom where my custom elements will appear alongside with all the native elements. So now what I can do is I can grab this element because it's available for any page that I'm working on. I grab it, just drag and drop it onto the page where I need it to be. And depending on how it's coded, they will work with all these other native elements. And so if you have a column, and you want your custom element to appear only in the center column, you can drag and drop it and place it in any of these kinds of structural blocks, right?